Well, hello. School bus. Letting off neighbor kid. Hold on. Hold on. Can you see him over there? I can't see him where I'm standing. Oh, come on now. Come on. We're taking a long time. We're going to get. There it goes. There goes the cheese wagon. Old cheese wagon. Did y'all call it that in the school? Hey, I'm Brew Back Doors channel and you watching Dickin around in the shed. Run that intro. Everybody knows the story of the legend. Bandit BA, he come down Mount Eagle. Oh, this is about the legend of the bale. And I'm not going to, the legend says it's supposed to protect you from, please never fly faster than your guardian angel. Your family loves you. Anyway, yeah. So we're going to, I showed you, I'll learn to speak here shortly. But I'm going to show you how to properly mount a bale. You want to pound it as low as possible so they don't try to catch on when they come back off. Maybe they will, maybe they won't, I don't know. Maybe that's why my bike wouldn't hardly start last week, because I didn't have a bale. I got a bale now. Thank you, whoever you sent it. You'll see it on mail call. Really isn't too nice of a bell to put on, but I'm dreading this getting that on the floor. This is gonna be a short one. Let's just do it. You can see this. I mounted this one, little cross. I figured it might help me out too. The little girl gave me that one, so I figured, you know what? I'll put it right there, and that's where it's been. But also, this is where I'm gonna hang my bale. See, I told you it was easy. Yeah, so I want to hang it there. And I'm gonna hang it there because if I hang it back here, it's liable to get smacked on the road. If I get smacked on the road there, let me get my tools. Can you see? Are you looking? Are you looking? Yep. We got them using wide angle. And I probably need some light on the situation. All right, I can lay down here. I got my pew pew off. So I'm gonna wrap it around this way, and I probably cut. No, I didn't. Bring my. Like I said, this is stainless steel wire, and you can little clipping thing. If I can get it started, probably not, because it's straight on the fray. I got it. Alright. And let's see if we can get the other side to start now. Probably not. Come on. It's a little bitty hole. You sucker, you. Well. I told you it's be an easy job, but it don't look like it's going to be one. Why are you being so difficult? Oh, I put the bell on because you can't have the bell on without put the bell on because you can't put the bell strand around it without. Just pull that. Come on. Does it look like I'm having a difficult time? Color is. You know what? I don't. Let's see. We can't do it this way now. Bell on. Bring my thing around here. And I got it. I had it. I got it. Now, if you would just take, while I'm holding this, clamp them together. Ow! It wouldn't be a dicking around if I didn't. Let's try to get this real quick before it got too hot. It said it got too hot. You can't get equipment to work hard as you do now. I can't grip nothing in my hand anymore. Let's clip this down a little better than that. I'm gonna trim. Alright, folks, I let that thing cool off. And there you can see the bells connected with the cable. And there you have it. Alright, before I put it on the fan and let it cool off, so let's hope it works. So I appreciate whoever sent that bell. It was in the last mail call. Yeah, yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. So you can go like a lot this video right there. It's a lot of videos in that one right there probably. And there's a video there. And hit the subscribe button. It's free. And we're going to go ride the bell and test it out. Ride the bell. We're going to ride Lucille testing out the bell. Got to test everything.